Hey everyone! If any of your Sims 4 mods need an XML injector, here's exactly how to install it. First, click the link in the description. That will take you to the download page. Now just click on the download button and it should start right away. It'll download as a .zip file. So if you don't already have a program to unzip files, I recommend using 7-zip or WinRAR. Just search for them, they're super easy to install. Once you've downloaded the XML Injector zip file, move it to your desktop or anywhere you're comfortable working with. You'll find the zip file in your Downloads folder or Recent Downloads. Next, right-click the zip file and click Extract, All. If you didn't install 7-zip or WinRAR earlier, now's a good time. Once extracted, you can delete the original zip file. We won't be needing it anymore. Now, inside the extracted folder, you'll find two files. These are the files we need to install into the game. Open up your Sims 4 Mods folder. To find it, go to Documents, Electronic Arts, The Sims 4 Mods. Then just drag and drop those two files straight into the Mods folder. Do not put them inside a subfolder. This can cause problems later when updating. If it asks you to replace files, go ahead and confirm. Also, make sure you delete any older version of XML Injector if you have one in there. And that's it. Now you're ready to play Sims 4 with any mod that needs XML Injector to run properly. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.